What's up, guys? I'm looking at my clips right now from me filming this vlog, and I'm editing it now. And I just realized that I never did an intro to this video. I literally just picked up the camera and started rolling, and I didn't even explain what we were doing. But in this vlog, we're basically just going to install some LED lights. I got this kit off of Amazon. I'll make sure to leave that down in the description box on all the details and the link to it. But I got a kit off of Amazon, and I decided to install the interior LED lights into my car by myself. So that's pretty much what this whole vlog is about, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. So what it comes with is it has like this little box right here, and you connect this to it. So what we're going to do is I'm going to put this into my little plug that I have over here. I have two on my car, so I have one right here, and I also have one in here in my glove compartment. So right here I have one, but I don't want to put it in that one. I mean, it can be hidden a little bit better down there, but I'm going to put it in the one that I got over here. So I just went through and set up my wires first and foremost, because these wires are extremely long. So my idea is to get some lights, and I'm gonna get the lights to go all the way up and around here, and I'm also gonna have some lights that go all the way around here. And after I go all the way up and around here, I should still have some left over, so I'm gonna actually put some. I don't have enough to do my whole entire door like I was thinking, but I'm gonna go from probably around this area right here ish all the way up and around there. And then I'm going to have some here and go up and around my door, and probably have it stop over in that area, so just like the major part of the door. So what I did first was went ahead and set up all my little wires. Each end has a light like this, so this is where the source of the light is going to be coming from. So when you turn on your car and you turn this switch right here on, the light actually comes out of this source, and once you connect it to this right here, this is how the light goes through the wire. Now I think I already showed you this, but to put through this wire, so this is what is actually going in your car, being wedged in between those gaps. You have to put this right here inside of it first, and I've learned that I thought I could put it all through there all at once, but it gets a little tougher once you get about halfway through. So I'm gonna go ahead and measure everything out and cut it now that I have all my light source wires kind of put in place where I want them to go, where they're going to reach. I am going to end up having to tuck and tape away some of these just to clean it up a little bit, but that's what I'm doing for right now. So what this is you just kind of smush this up in there to give a gap, and you place the wire where the gap is before the yellow piece. It took me probably about 3 minutes to figure that out, but it makes it a whole lot easier just sliding this under and sticking all the wire up under. It just gives it enough space to kind of put this in there. Now, I don't know how this curve gonna work, but we're gonna get it going. I really don't know what I'm doing, but I'm just trying to hide my wires now. So I got all this off. After I did break off a piece from up here, I did break off a piece, so we're gonna keep it moving now. All right, so update, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do the door because I don't even really see how to get it to stick in the grooves, and I'm not trying to glue anything, so that might be a loss with the door portion. I'm gonna have to research that a little bit, but I can't really get it into the grooves on the door. I hope y'all can hear me. The wind is blowing, there's a lot going on, so I don't know. But I can't get it up into these grooves right here, and it's nothing here to put it in, and I don't want to mess it up, so I might just add some lights to the bottom. I don't know yet. I gotta figure it out. So this is what it's looking like right now, y'all. I really don't know too much. I mean, I'm not gonna say I don't know too much because I watched some videos and stuff, but now I'm just about to try and connect some of these cables. I hope I can get y'all at an angle where y'all can see. Just kind of. Okay, this is gonna have to work for now. Oh, nope, that didn't work. So, okay. So now I'm just trying to find the right cable, which I picked this one out. This is one of the shorter ones. And I need to attach it. Let's see if I can get this. Y'all, this is so hard to like film. So the end of my cord, my cable's up here. So this is where I have to attach this piece to. So I'm about to try and do that right now. Ooh, I probably should have left this a little longer. Boom. It is attached, guys. We're getting somewhere. We're getting somewhere. All right, so now I really just need to close all this back up. So I'm finally done installing all the lights, and this is what it looks like during the day when they are not on. So they're just clear lights, which is something I really like. And as you can see, it kind of just blends in with what was already there, or what wasn't there really, because it's just clear instead of like I've seen some things on YouTube where some people have gotten like a red cord or orange or even blue, like just some colored wiring that goes here, and I did not like that. But I finally found this one that's clear. I did not end up doing the ones on the door, like I said, because I could not figure that out. I did add some all the way down at the bottom. You can't really see them unless you go up under there, so they'll shine down there. Then I have one over here on the passenger side as well. And so this is just what it looks like during the day, and I'll insert a clip of what they look like at night once, you know, nighttime comes. But this is the end of this video, and I hope you guys like just going through this adventure with me. This has been kind of crazy. Oh yeah, and I did kind of somewhat fix this that I broke. I just Gorilla Glued it. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Please give me the thumb up if you like this video, or kind of just, you know, kind of entertainment if you liked me or whatever. I know I'm not showing my face right now because I look very rough, but please subscribe to my channel for any further videos that I will have, and also go check out some of my older videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video.